Oh, I parked here this police bike. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of toy vehicle serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of these toy vehicles with my hand. So wasting any more time, let's go. At first is a Noha police car. Oh friends, I reached my parking place, so I parked here my first toy Noha police car. This is a green, black and silver color combination this car. Next one is a DS Tarzan car. Oh friends, I also parked here this DS Tarzan car beside this police car. See this car, this is paste, pink and black color combination, this nice realistic model plastic toy. And now I will drive this green company double-decker bus. I parked here this green company double-decker bus beside this DS Tarzan car. You can see this bus, this is a realistic model plastic toy. Here is a yellow, white and black color combination, this nice realistic model bus. This one is a UN Force police bike. Oh, I parked here this police bike. This is black, blue and white color combination, this nice bike. So friends, you can see one by one already 4 vehicles hand drived and introduced with you, and you also see all are serially parked here. Next one is a runner car. I parked here this runner car beside this police bike. See this runner car, this is red, black and white color combination, nice cartoony model car. Now I will drive this cartoony model drum truck. I parked here this cartoony model drum truck beside this runner car. This is very nice and funny model, this drum truck. This is pink, paste and purple color combination. This is the last one is here a fire truck. Oh friends, I also parked here this fire truck. This is a realistic model plastic toy. You can see this is a red, black and white color combination, and this truck is used by fire service rescue team. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand drived and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially parked here. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.